Hi guys, it's your girl Tonia once again, and I am back with another video. So today's video, we are going to be talking about the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Wand Concealer, and I am in the shade 12. I purchased this from Sephora, and like, it has big claims. It has huge claims. Like, it is the Spanx for your eyes, and it is going to make you look like no creasing, like younger. It's going to give that lift to the eye. So we're going to test this out, and we're going to see if this really does all that it claims to do. So if you guys are interested and you want to see this, stay right here. So like I said in the beginning of the video, we are going to be testing the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer. I got the shade number 12. I ordered it online. Sephora is pretty much out of stock on all of their shades except for a few of the darker shades. Like I said, I got 12. I probably could have gotten 11 and been okay, but 12 is fine too. We'll work with it. A couple of claims that this concealer has is that it is a full coverage, long lasting, dark circle diminishing, color correcting concealer. So I'm going to touch on a few things with that. So let's just go ahead and get into the application part of this. And oh my god, I can't even get it off. Okay, so this is the top. I've tried it once since I've got it. I got it today and I tried it once. Yeah, that's the top. It reminds me a lot of the Maybelline Age Rewind top, because it has like that spongy top and it's a mess. Like, it gets everywhere. So this is no different. I've already had to wipe out the inside of the top. What I do like about it, just as the same, it does show you how much product you have left, which is handy, because then if you run out, you know before you run out that you don't have any more concealers. So I have already put foundation on my face, and the foundation that I'm using today is the Born This Way Too Faced foundation. I'm in the shade Chestnut. I'm using that today. I also did prime my face with the Milk Cosmetics Blur Stick, and also the Tatcha Silk Canvas primer as well. I didn't do anything with my eyes because I wanted to just use this. So like I said, Charlotte gives the claim that it is full coverage. So I'm going to go ahead and go into this. So the shade is a little on the orange side, as you can see. But that's okay, because I'm going to go ahead and use this as being a little bit orange because of the color correcting properties in it. So, but I wouldn't be able to just use this alone because it is a little bit more on the orange side. So I would have to put a little bit of one of my yellow concealers in with it to kind of give the highlight on it. So I'm going to blend this out with a beauty blender. Let me grab one, kind of dampen it up with my Fix Plus because it wasn't damp. So, and I'm just going to blend this out. So one thing I can really tell you off top is I really like the texture of this concealer. I really do. I like the texture of it a lot. I do like the color as well too, because it does kind of cancel out dark circles. I don't think, however, that it's full coverage. And let me zoom you in a little bit more so you can really see. Okay, so yeah, I don't really feel like it's full coverage, but I do like it. I like it. But I'm going to add a little bit more on, just because I know that I'm a little bit extra when it comes... Hey, Izzy, stop. I'm a little bit extra when it comes to concealer, so I'm going to go in a little bit more with it, because I can still see some grayness under my eye. Izzy, stop. So I'm just going to go in with a little bit more, just to kind of, because maybe my beauty blender might have taken some away. But I'm still going to have to go in with another concealer to kind of highlight. It also says that it doesn't crease or seep into fine lines, and it's kind of like Spanx for your eyes. I'm gonna have to disagree with that as well, because I do see it creasing. And I don't think I've found a concealer yet that doesn't crease, but this just really kind of sits in my fine lines, and I'm pretty sure that's not what it's supposed to do. So I'm just going to kind of blend that out a bit. And I'm just going to go in with a little bit just to highlight. Just to highlight. With the Cover FX. And I don't really want coverage. I just want a little bit of yellowness right up in here. Just a little bit of goldness up in there. So that's all I need it for. I'm really not using up my coverage. I just want to kind of highlight a little bit. I'm going to set my face with the Beauty Bakery Flour Powder. Been using this a lot lately. I haven't given up on my Sacha Buttercup though. I've just been grabbing for this one because it's been kind of close by, so it's kind of easy to grab for, you know. So I am going to finish the rest of my makeup off camera, and I will be back to tell you my overall thoughts and how I feel about the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Away Concealer. Be right back. So this is the overall look, you guys. Couple things about the Charlotte Tilbury. So I like the texture of this concealer. I do think that this concealer is pretty good. The price point on this guy is $32. Couple of things. I don't feel like this concealer is a full coverage concealer. I feel like it... you could probably build it up to full coverage. Like I went over it with with 2 layers, and then I also put another, not a full layer, but just to highlight a little bit, a concealer to highlight. So I did use something else, but I don't feel like this is full coverage. Like I could still see grayness under my eyes, and that's a problem for me. Like I don't like to see any type of shadow underneath the eye when I am using a concealer. And this concealer had big claims, and I don't feel like they lived up to all of them. But I do like this concealer. You can buy it off Sephora.com. You can buy it off Charlotte Tilbury's website, and you can also buy it from Beautylish. I did, like I said, Sephora is pretty much damn near sold out, like online. So I think they have like maybe I think it's 16 shades in them, and I think there is 3 shades left, and they're all of the darker formula. I do feel like this guy, you know, it, like I said, it says that it doesn't creep into fine lines, and immediately I saw it kind of settling into my fine lines that are underneath here. I don't find that there is a concealer out yet that doesn't creep into fine lines or doesn't crease. I haven't found one yet. If you guys know of one that I haven't heard of, and I pretty much tried a lot of them, and if you guys want to see my concealer collection, because I do have one, that I will definitely do a video on those, because I have a shit ton of them that I use, and none of them, like I said, some of them are better than others, but they all kind of creep into those fine lines. So, but this guy is pretty good. I would not say that it is a Spanx for your eye, because I didn't feel like it did anything different than any other concealer. But you know, love the packaging. Charlotte Tilbury's packaging is phenomenal in my opinion, because it looks like old Hollywood, like the rose gold. Just I'm about that life. I'm about that life. So if you guys want to pick this up, I do think that this works nicely. I like the texture. It's easy to blend out, and as you can see, it looks beautiful on camera. So if you guys are interested, I will link where you can get these, where you can get this item from, and if you want to spend your coin on it, go ahead. I'm not telling you not to, and I'm not telling you to. So I mean, I like it. I like it. Maybe I just need to wear it a little bit more. So like I said, I'm not telling you not to spend your coin. I am not telling you to spend your coin. I do like it. It looks beautiful on camera, and yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. If you guys are new here, my name is Tonya. I do makeup reviews, and I do wig reviews, even though I'm gonna put my wig reviews on hold for a little while because I got my hair braided, so them damn wigs won't fit on top of this hair now. So anyway, you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I really appreciate it. You could have went to anyone else's video, but you came here, so thank you guys so much. I will see you guys in my next one. Peace.